I think if someone asked me about the project, I would say that it was eye-opening. They say it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but I would definitely say I'm gonna go back to the well at least once, if not twice. It's just a different part. It just really opens your eyes to the rest of the world.
I agree with Tony. My personal opinion is I would say that it's Africa. It's your time. I mean, it's your experience. This will complement your MBA experience in a lot of ways that you can imagine.
The scope of the project was basically to help Intra, not-for-profit that's USAID affiliated, to help strengthen workforce capacity in Kenya post the devolution from their national government system to a county structure.
I myself come from Indonesia. Coming to the United States is a really terrific experience, but we want to try another one, especially for this project. It's in Africa, so we want to learn more about the African culture, and we have passion for healthcare and social conscious, which is, I think, is an important part of the MBA experience for us.
There wasn't a lot of secondary research because the devolution happened in 2010, so there wasn't a lot in the literature, and so aside from all the color that we get from primary research on the front end, we needed that background to kind of frame our recommendations going forward, and the only way we were going to get it, because there was very little research done, was to actually go in country.
Based on our experience, primary research, in-country primary research, especially in developing countries such as Kenya, is really an important part of our research and study. Our team split our visit into 2 weeks. Anthony and Carlos went there in the first week, and me and Arash, we went there in the second week. We interviewed over 50 persons in country.
I think first coordinating with the team out in Kenya, there's an 11-hour time difference, and it was trying to get everybody lined up in a very short window for our visits. There was a lot of, in the beginning, focus on internal personnel from the client, and we felt that we had to go outside of that, so we were kind of creating our own shot by calling up contacts here in the States to try and facilitate interviews out there that weren't set up by the client, so that we could actually provide something additive rather than regurgitate what the client was giving to us, like the talking points from the very beginning.
I learned a lot about how to, create a simultaneous effort to actually achieve one goal, which is to provide recommendations for the client. The second part would be, again, it's Africa. Just by going in there, you learn so many different things that you've never seen before. I guess every MBA should have this experience to make them to have better social consciousness and impact the world in a better way, especially for Anderson students.